everyone, Stephanie here from Matthew Stephens coming on to talk to you about ring cleaning. So how many of you guys, when you look at your engagement ring, think, geez, my ring just does not sparkle like it used to? Well, rest assured, it's not the diamonds. Chances are your ring probably just needs to be cleaned. And here's an easy trick to do right at home. So all you need when cleaning your ring at home is a child's soft bristle toothbrush. I'm using this great Hello Kitty child's toothbrush. Okay. Do adults toothbrushes do that? Anyway, and some washing up liquid and some warm water. So all you're gonna have to do is pour some of the warm water into the washing up liquid, take your toothbrush, and then take your ring and then just put it in. And so all you really need to do is you could just leave it up to just a few seconds, or if you feel your ring is really dirty, then you can maybe leave it in there for a few minutes if you want, but really a few seconds is usually all it takes. So after that, you just take your child's soft bristle toothbrush and really just kind of give it a good clean, really to try to focus on getting kind of underneath the diamond, because that's where a lot of the dirt, lotion, a lot of stuff kind of collects under there. And once you feel your ring is clean, you just take some water, pour it over. So we recommend doing it this way. Now, if you're doing it over sink, please put a plug in the drain. The last thing we want you to do is lose your ring when just trying to clean it. And after that, just give her a pat dry, and that is it. As you can see, your ring is all beautiful and sparkly once again. So if you want any more additional at-home care advice, just drop us a comment below or send us a message, or you can always call us on 061-415-583 and then dial 1 to speak with one of our diamond specialists. Talk to you soon.